today I'm going to change this. This is our Power King stump grinder. It came with a 1 7/8 coupling. Everything else I have is 2-inch. So today we're going to change this. All right, this is the coupling that I got. It's still wrapped. It's from, this is Buyer's Products. So we're going to try it out. It's a 2-inch ball, but it's also a 2-inch tongue on here. So 2 and 2. And this is going to help me move a lot faster and get a lot more done with this thing. This thing was failing me. It's never worked properly. I've tried to adjust it, and I just do not like this thing. And you know how it goes when you really don't like a tool. So we're going to swap it out, and this is going to be, I need to grind a lot of stumps around here, so this will be real helpful. There's just not a lot of room. There's definitely more room to get a socket on here, but still, this one is really tight. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to try to break this loose. Ow, that hurt.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's see if this one is going to fit nice and snug. No, it's not. As you can see, the holes don't light up, so I guess whatever I read, it's still 3 inches apart on this. Maybe that was for the smaller coupler under the same listing. This is still 3 inches apart, so we're gonna have to drill that out. Well, that's not it. But this is just a proof that it does go through, but when I put it on the top, let me show you what's happening. It doesn't want to work on the top. So my bolt will go through the coupler and the 2-inch bar, but not together. What's happening is they're a little bit off canter here. Just like if I go through, it'll go through, but it'll hit the other side. Like it's not, it looks like it's lined up, but what's happening is these holes are closer to the bottom than they are the top. And the way that the coupler is, it just is not working. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm try to flip that 2-inch square tongue over. Okay, now that I flipped it over, the holes are closer to the top, so let's try the coupler again. This is going to save me. I'm still going to have to drill out the back holes if we want those to be secure, which we do. But now I should be able to, even though this is sitting a little low, I'm going to be able to at least get it on there and get the bolt through all the way through this time. Okay, so that's working now. We're gonna have to drill out that back hole, but we do have the bolt going through. All we have to do is flip it over. Hey, it works. If it works, it works. There you go. Okay, since I changed this to a 2-inch hitch, I can now attach it to the mower or the truck. So let's hook it up to the mower, and we gotta go grind some stumps. Okay, let's get started grinding these stumps. I got a 4 quadruple stump together here.